Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video in our Nifty weekly series. So, we have covered the March 24th to 28th Nifty weekly analysis, and this video is the April 1st to 4th weekly analysis, which is the last week. Okay, so let's go through the video. So, if you see on the week of April 1st to 4th, April 1st is basically, if you see, the Nifty has opened with a big green candle and it went up in the opening, and it took the resistance at the CPR range as well as the 200 EMA, and then went down in the went down afterwards, and it broke the VWAP as well as 13 EMA and super trend while it was going down. CPR was very narrow on this particular day, so that basically says momentum would be there in the market. So there was a momentum in the market, and yeah, it took the market opened below the CPR, and it took resistance of CPR and went down. Okay, so that's April 1st moment. Coming to April 2nd, so market opened with a green candle, and it was slightly bullish. So it was slightly bullish throughout the day, and it was hovering over this 13 EMA, as well as it was above super trend throughout the day, but it was slightly bullish throughout the day. CPR range was medium on this day, so basically the momentum, that's why it's very less. It's not a hard and fast rule, but that is a general rule which we can look into. April 3rd, again, April 3rd is totally range bound market. Open with a green candle, slight momentum was there initially, but then it's totally range bound, and it got stuck between VWAP and super trend. And yeah, so this was a totally range bound day. April 4th, if you see, Nifty opened with a red candle, and it was bearish throughout the day. So it took the resistance of the 13 EMA and super trend, and that was below the VWAP, and it was taking resistance of VWAP and 13 EMA throughout the day. CPR was very narrow on this day also, which basically says momentum could be there in the market. Coming to daily time frame, if you see, this is a daily time frame, and so if you see the daily time frame from April 1st to 4th, it was this is April 1st to 4th, which is basically range bound to bearish. So range bound to bearish. It was bearish first day, then slightly bullish, then range bound, and again bearish. But it was below 200 EMA itself and was taking support of S1 Camarilla pivot point. So still the sellers are dominant in the market, and it's a seller dominant market only, as it is below the 200 EMA. Coming to the weekly time frame analysis, so here Nifty formed a red candle here, and there's a wick on the top indicating selling pressure, and Nifty is below the super trend and 45 WMA, indicating sellers dominating the market. Coming to the monthly time frame analysis, this monthly chart is a big red candle, and this month, which is April month, started with a big red candle, and it's above the 200 EMA and 45 WMA and super 10. But still, since it's a red candle in the short term, even though it is bullish and the retracement is happening, but in the short term, it is a bearish trend only. Okay, so that's our weekly analysis for the April 1st to 4th week for Nifty. Thanks everyone for joining the call. Have a nice day.